If you eat just one guava fruit every day, here's the incredible effects on your body. The guava fruit is a source of vitamin C, fiber, and other substances that act like antioxidants. Here are 7 mind-blowing guava benefits for health and skin you need to know. Number 1. Improve your eyesight. Guava fruits are packed with vitamin A, which are well known for their ability to improve vision. It's especially great for people with deteriorating eyesight because vitamin A is able to slow down macular degeneration and the appearance of cataracts. Number 2. Look younger. Because guavas have lots of antioxidants such as carotene and lycopene, and they're rich in vitamins A and C, they're great for helping you look younger. Just load yourself up with guavas and you'll be able to fight back against wrinkles with ease. Number 3. Relieve your cough or cold. Because guavas are rich in vitamin C as mentioned above, and because they're also packed with iron, the fruit works better than most in fighting against cough and cold systems. The juice of guavas also helps to reduce mucus in your body, while disinfecting your throat and lungs. Number 4. Lose weight. If you're looking to lose some weight during the summertime, guava is a great option. It has less sugar when compared to many other common fruits and you get a healthy intake of fiber, proteins, and vitamins. It also regulates your metabolism and gets the job done in satisfying your appetite. Number 5. Improve brain functioning. Because guava contains lots of niacin and pyridoxine, also known as vitamins B3 and B6, it works wonders in helping to stimulate blood circulation towards your brain, which can improve cognitive functioning. It even relaxes your nerves and helps to stay focused throughout the day. Number 6. Keep you and your baby healthy during pregnancy. Guava is a highly recommended fruit for women to eat during pregnancy because of its density of folic acid, or vitamin B9. The vitamin helps to protect your baby from brain disorders by aiding in the development of its nervous system while in the womb. So if you're pregnant, you can't go wrong with more guava. Number 7. Relieve yourself of stress. If you get stressed often, it might be a good idea to start taking in more guava. The fruit is rich in magnesium, which works great at relaxing the muscles and the nerves in your body. It also gives you a great energy boost, so you'll be up and at it through the day. Guava is safe when eaten as food, but there's not enough information to know if it's safe in the larger amounts that are used as medicine. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, stick with food amounts until more is known.